What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to set up the microphone in the OBS Studio or the Streamlabs because they both share the same interface. They share the same code, so you will be able to know the difference at the end. Over the right-hand side, you'll see the mixer. Go to the settings. You will see the global settings where they are audio monitoring devices. If you want to add Windows audio ducking, you guys can enable it. If you don't want it, you guys can disable it. The sample rate, it does require a restart, but I set it up for the 48 uh, you know 1000 hertz, and for the channels I just kept it stereo. People might think the number higher the number goes, the better the quality. It doesn't really go with that, because if your microphone doesn't have that much depth, you won't be able to use it. So coming down, these are the devices that you guys can hear from. These are the desktop audio devices, means that the applications or the screen that you're going to show it. The other ones are the auxiliary or microphone devices. So this is the topic that we're discussing. You guys can add 3 different microphones at one single screen. For example, you're using your Streamlabs or the OBS Studio, and you attach 3 different microphones to one system. You will be able to hear from all 3 different microphones. Uh, but obviously, the best case scenario is using one device. So you guys can add 3 of them, but it's better to use just one. Now, if you have already added those and you guys want to, there is an echo option, and the voice distorting. So what you guys need to do is to go to the filters and go to the add filters option. Go to the add filters option. Over here, you will see gain, noise suppression. Use that and just add it like this, and then you will see that there are options like speak X, low CPU usage, low quality, RNN noise, good quality, and just close it. So by using this and doing it, you will be able to get your microphone sounds much better. You guys can also enable the performance mode if you have a laggy system, but that's not the case for me. And again, go to the added option if you want to add any another sort of a filter. That could be noise suppression, noise gate. Just add it. Over here, you guys can close the threshold, remove it. If you don't want to use it, just you guys can remove it. So it's that simple. I hope you find this very helpful. See you in the next one. Take care.